So Avi Loeb and Ross Coulthart are having a feud over Three Eye Atlas. What is this all about?
The ball is very much in Professor Avi Loeb's court right now to prove his case that there is something anomalous about Three Eye Atlas and that it's not just another meteor or comet. I've consulted with astronomers. I've consulted with people who've contacted me in great frustration because they don't understand why Professor Loeb is making such a huge song and dance on very, very limited evidence that there is something anomalous about Three Eye Atlas.
According to Ross Coulthart, he has been talking to a lot of scientists and astronomers about Three Eye Atlas, and technically, what he's saying is Avi Loeb doesn't have the correct data, or he doesn't have the right information about Three Eye Atlas being anomalous. So Ross Coulthart thinks that, or he believes, Three Eye Atlas is just a comet, right? I mean, that's pretty much what a lot of people believe at this point. Okay, on the other hand, Avi Loeb is claiming that, well, I'm going to have to agree with Avi Loeb on this one, that Ross Coulthart is just a UFO journalist. He's not a scientist. So he's not in a position to, talk about the scientific analysis of Three Eye Atlas, right? So pretty much Avi Loeb is pissed off because Ross Coulthart, it's, technically saying that Avi Loeb is just not right about Three Eye Atlas. So there's a feud right there going on.
Just to remind whoever is viewing this, Ross himself keeps talking for years about unidentified anomalous phenomena. So he makes a living out of talking, not doing science, just talking and speaking to other people who do science. And he himself is engaged with things that appear anomalous. I'm doing the science. I published scientific papers. I wrote 9 scientific papers over the past 2 months on Three Eye Atlas.
I don't know. I believe Three Eye Atlas is a comet, right? So I'm not taking any sides on this one, right? I'm not going with Ross Coulthart or Avi Loeb just because there is no other scientists or major scientists and astronomers talking about Three Eye Atlas. So it's just Avi Loeb, right? But at the same time, Ross Coulthart is not a scientist either. So this is this whole Three Eye Atlas has become a circus, right? There's people fighting over it. There's people that believe this is a real mothership with a bunch of little tiny green aliens, and but there is other people that believe this is just a comet, right? And I'm probably one of those people. I just believe this is just a comet, right? It's not something that is just like, oh my gosh, it's an alien aircraft with, aliens inside, or these hostile alien object, right? I don't know. What do you guys think about this? Do you believe Three Eye Atlas is just a comet, or this is just a huge mothership coming towards planet Earth and they're just gonna take over the planet, right? What are your thoughts about this? Let me know in the comments.